There are millions of people who would like to work in Dubai, as it is still one of the top international job search destination in 2023. And hence today I'll share the essential steps to help you successfully apply for jobs in Dubai. Before we begin, you should know that the UAE has so much to offer. Like, you can earn tax-free income in Dubai, enjoy year-round sunshine, and take advantage of a thriving economy. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the ultimate guide on how to apply for jobs in Dubai, from creating a winning CV to getting a job interview. Also, I will share some additional secret tips for getting a job in Dubai, which is covered at the end. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Hello guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. If you have any queries, you can leave your comment below or email me on yourknowledgebuddy@gmail.com. Also, I'm available on Instagram and my ID is Your Knowledge Buddy. Without any further delay, let's begin with the first step. So the first step to applying for jobs in Dubai is to research. You can start by deciding on your target industry and roles. It will help you narrow down your research and focus only on the jobs you are qualified for. Let's say you are a digital marketer and you can start by researching companies in Dubai that specializes in digital marketing. You can find job postings by visiting the company's websites relevant to your industry in Dubai. You can also use job search websites. Some of the famous are: number 1, bait.com, number 2, naukrigulf.com, number 3, LinkedIn, number 4, indeed.ae, number 5, Gulf Talent. These are the websites that will help you find the best quality job vacancies in Dubai. Step 2. Update your CV. The next step has a professional CV. Before you start applying for jobs, you must ensure that your CV is updated and accurate to the job you are applying for. Make sure to highlight your relevant experience and skills so it can be easy to read and visually appealing. With so many candidates applying for the same job, only a well-crafted CV can be the key to securing your dream job. Example, say you're looking for a digital marketing role. Ensure your CV highlights your experience with SEO, PPC, social media, and content marketing. A well-optimized CV can improve your chances of getting hired. Remember that an employer spends only about 6 seconds scanning through a CV. So it's essential to include only relevant information to make your CV stand out. Step number 3. Create a cover letter. When it comes to applying for jobs, your cover letter can be a key component in catching the attention of potential employers. A well-crafted cover letter provides an opportunity to showcase your skills and experience and explain why would you to fill their open positions. On the other hand, it's essential to customize your cover letter for each job you can apply for. If you're applying for a job or a company, you should tailor your language and content to suit the specific positions and company before sending a generic letter. It's very much similar to what we do in the UK or Europe. So say if you're applying for a digital marketing role, you can mention your experience with data-driven decision making and how you have helped previous companies improving their online visibility. Step 4. Apply for jobs. It's now time to apply for Dubai jobs, but at the right time of the year. Make sure you start your research during the peak hiring months. January and February are great months to start your job hunt. Many companies hire new employees during this month to fill their open positions. On the other hand, June and July and August are the worst months to look for a job in Dubai. During this month, recruitment activity slows down considerably due to the hot summer weather. It's best to avoid planning your job search during this month. There are various visa categories in Dubai, and one of them is employment visa, which is issued to skilled workers who have secured a job in Dubai. This visa is valid for 30 days and can be extended up to 3 years. Second is visit visa. If you are a foreign national who wants to explore job opportunities in Dubai, you can apply for a visit visa. This visa is valid for 90 days and cannot be extended. However, if you find a job during this period, you can convert it to an employment visa, which is legally allowed. So if you're already thinking, how do I know if any company can sponsor me or not? So not all the companies are licensed to sponsor visa. before applying for a job in Dubai, it's essential to research the company's credentials to ensure they can sponsor your visa. So, how do you determine if a company is licensed to sponsor your visa or not? So, the first way, you can search for the company on the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry website. This website provides a directory of all registered companies in Dubai. So, this is the website which you can see from the screen. So, you go and explore and write down the name of the company. Now, if the company is registered, it will have a trade license allowing them to sponsor visas. Another way to check is to contact the company directly and ask if they are licensed to sponsor your visa or not. Third way is to look for job postings that state that they are seeking candidates requiring visa sponsorship. Example, when you search for job via LinkedIn, give word like visa sponsorship after your job title, like shown on the screen. So in this example, you can see that PwC is ready to give visa sponsorship for this role. And another way is you can also ask the employer about visa sponsorship during the job interview. It's essential to clarify any doubts before accepting a job offer. Once you have found a job and your visa has been sponsored, you can start your new adventure to Dubai. However, Dubai has a number of online job portals to help job seekers find the right job based on their experience, skills, and qualifications, with LinkedIn and Dubizzle being among the best. However, optimizing your LinkedIn profile and being active on the platform is crucial for increasing your chances to finding a job in Dubai. Since a majority of HR professionals and recruiters in Dubai use LinkedIn for talent acquisition. Ensure your profile is fully updated and complete with relevant keywords that recruiters might use in their searches. So make sure that these sections of your LinkedIn profile are complete. Number 1 is your profile picture. Number 2 is your LinkedIn banner. Number 3 is headline. Number 4 is about section. Number 5 is experience section. Number 6 is skill section. And number 7 is contact details. Now, step number 5, prepare for interviews. One of the most critical steps is to prepare for job interviews. If you're fortunate enough to get an interview call, thoroughly research the company and the role that you applied for. To prepare for a job interview, it is recommended to research the company's mission, values, and recent successes by visiting their website and social media pages to practice answering common interview questions. In addition to applying to advertised job openings, attending walk-in interviews in locations like Business Bay can be beneficial as they offer a chance to interact with potential employers and making a positive impression. Dressing appropriately and bringing copies of your CV are also essential tips to excel in these interviews. Now, time for some bonus tips for getting a job in the Dubai. I'll tell you a secret top job search tool for a seamless hunt. The job market in Dubai can be tough to navigate, but with the right tools, you can boost your chances of success. Here are 4 of my personal recommendations. First, you can optimize your CV and LinkedIn profile with job scanning technology to improve your job search in Dubai. Second, LinkedIn Premium. Upgrade to LinkedIn Premium Business for access to 15 in-mails and unlimited research. Third, SalesQL. You can utilize SalesQL to uncover the email addresses of potential prospects on LinkedIn, even those you still need to be connected with. Fourth, Hunter IQ. Simplify your job search by quickly finding professional email addresses with Hunter IQ. It will make it easy to contact recruiters and hiring managers. Well, that's for today's video. I hope you discovered something valuable in today's video. Thank you for watching my video till the end, and I'll catch you soon with my next upload. However, if you want to know how to apply for a job as a fresher in the UK directly from your country like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, make sure to watch my previous video from here.